Okay, now we're going to show you what to do with the SD card when it's time you're done with editing. So what you got to do is, like I showed you last time, slide open the window there, little thing, press down on the SD card, and it should pop out like that. And what I have here is an adapter. We need these adapters to be able to put in the SD card video into our computers, because we don't have an SD card input there. So we have an adapter. That adapter can be found in one of the side pockets in each of the bags. So what do you do for that? Well, you got to do is, it has two sides, a USB and a mini USB. This is a mini USB. And right here, there's like an input. Specifically, it's very easy to see. It's like right there on the side. It's long, and you have to basically take the card and put it into that, like that. Yes, see, there's my microphone I am using, and I'm shooting and looking at a window here. See, right there, you throw it in there, and then you put this side in the back. There's a little mini USB. Put it in the back. It should show up on the monitor of your Mac. It should pop up. It should usually says untitled, and then you know it. And I'll show you how a later time how to get that video off and into your folder.